Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I am going to guide you on how to log into Priority Health web portal. Priority Health is a trusted health insurance provider focused on enhancing well-being through innovative and personalized care. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Priority Health website. You can do this by typing Priority Health login in the address bar. Now click on Login. After that, you will be directed to login page of Priority Health. Now enter your username and password to login. If you don't have an account yet, you can register your Priority Health account by clicking on Register for Provider portal. Moreover, Priority Health login page also facilitates you to retrieve password in case you have forgotten it by clicking on Forgot Your Password. That's it. If you follow this simple step, you can successfully log into your Priority Health account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials.